Welcome back, knitters. I'm Jana with Purl Together. In this week's short video, we're gonna block our new keps. They look fantastic. I can't wait to see yours in the group. So join me real quick to see how I prefer to do mine. All right, and she goes. I'm putting the kep in a little bit of just lukewarm water, and I do have just a drop, like 1 drop of wool wash or dish soap or whatever. Not a lot, just a little bit, because keep in mind you are going to have to rinse this out. So I just gently push it down in there. You don't want to agitate anything because this is, 100% wool. So just let it sit in there and soak for 20 minutes or so. Then we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, it's been 15-20 minutes. So all I'm going to do is drain the water, and then I'm going to very gently just squeeze this out, really gently. All right, after you have gently squeezed out as much water as you can without agitation, now you're just going to put this on a hand towel and roll it up. And then we're going to literally stand on it and squeeze out more water. After I stepped on it half a dozen times, you can see how much water came out of that. That towel is really wet. So now we're ready to block it. So the best thing to do now is put it on the recipient so it fits their head and get them to wear it dry. So Mr. Purl is going to turn his head so you can see, and he's going to wear it dry. Now I did have to stretch this vertically because it was I had to pull on it and tug on it a little bit because it was kind of too short. So we're tugging it down to be the size to fit him. Isn't the crown lovely? I love it's awesome. Anyway, so if you don't want to wear it dry, or the recipient of the kep is not in your household, you're going to have to find a food container, like a Tupperware or a bowl or a balloon or something to block it on. He looks pretty happy though. Yes. All right, thanks for joining me for this series. I'll show you how I weave in the ends of Fair Isle knitting in a different video that I've put in the video description down below. How to weave in the ends the way I prefer to do it. I'd be interested to see if you have other ideas, so be sure to leave a comment on that video if you do. Show me your photos of your finished objects in the Purl Together Facebook and Ravelry group. I can't wait to see them, and thanks for watching.